Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a dough, a multi-purpose dough. You can use this to make cinnamon rolls, you can use this to make bread rolls, sausage bread rolls, anything like bread related. You can even make a bread loaf with this dough. So in here I've got milk, warm milk. I added my yeast and I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'll go ahead and give everything a whisk. I'll cover it and then set it aside for like 5 minutes. This step is called proofing. You have to proof the yeast first before you go ahead to add it in your dry ingredients. This will enable you to know if your yeast is alive or dead. You understand? Here I've got my flour and I'll go ahead and sprinkle some salt in it, add in my sugar, then I'll give it a quick mix and set it aside. After proofing the yeast for 5 minutes, this is how it should look like. You see it's all bubbly on top. That is a sign that the yeast is still active. Now go ahead and add 1 egg, whisk, then pour in your dry ingredient and continue mixing it until you get a dough, a very soft dough. The recipe calls for 3.5 cups of flour, so I added 2.5 cups and I have already set aside 1 cup, which I'll be using later. So the dough is a little bit sticky. I'm going in with that cup, 1 cup I've set aside. Now I'm using half cup. I will later use the other half, making it 1 cup. So go ahead and sprinkle it bit by bit until you get the desired outcome. When you are kneading your dough, make sure you knead your dough very well, knead it very well to activate the gluten in the flour. this point I will add in my butter. Now go in with the remaining half cup of flour, sprinkle it and continue kneading. So there you have it, your dough is done. I'll just take it out, smear the pan with oil and then I'll put it back, then cover it and allow it to rise. Then you can use it for whatever it is you are going to make, whether it's bread rolls, cinnamon rolls or whatever. I hope you've learned something today. Please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.